Yo, there's some people up ahead. Hopefully, they're not gonna be a problem. See who these people are. There's people around the corner, hopefully. There's people there. I feel like it's one of these situations where they're more scared of me than I'm scared of them. But you never know. I mean, they turned the corner, and I don't know where they went. Let's see. Yo, there was definitely people here. I don't know where they went or what. Yo, this is kind of crazy, man. Yo, I'm not bugging, man. There was definitely people here. Yo, what's good? Yo, peace. I met the dude. He's cool. I'll say what's up. I actually know this guy from Instagram. I'm trying to say a shout out to him. He knows what's up right now.
It is prohibited to walk between train cars unless in emergency or directed by the police officers or MTA crew personnel. Have a safe day. Penn Station, transferred to the A train, the E train, Amtrak, New Jersey Transit, and the Long Island Railroad. See local train 2168. Next stop, 42nd, Port Authority Bus Terminal. Stand clear to close north.
Yo, it is hot in this train. So I put my bag here because I didn't want the door to lock on me. Yo, it's hot in that car.
Yeah, exactly. I can't even cap. I would make this train into like my house.
Yeah, this is dope.
Right.
Did you make it over to the other ones over there?
No, I have not yet. I seen it. I seen it.
I don't know. I may not bother. It's just too. They're already on the flatbeds, I think, too. I don't know. It's just like once they're on the flatbeds, I'm not too interested in them.
Oh yeah, you would like to still see it on the wheels.
Yeah.
Have that feel. Yeah.
Yeah.
Exactly. Why? It's once in a lifetime you see this.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
Imagine just like how it was like in the 80s.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I ran into this dude, Revenge, from Instagram. He's got some dope photos, and I've been following him for a little bit, and it's who I happen to run into. Let me say what's up.
Yeah, how you doing? My name is Venomizer. You know what it is. You know, just appreciating the R32s and just the graffiti, and it feels a blessing to actually experience it how it was in the 80s. So, you know, I'm very thankful to actually have this opportunity to actually come over here. You know, so it was pretty cool.
Cool. Oh yeah, great meeting you.
Thank you, thank you.
Yep.
Ladies and gentlemen, the next stop will be 42nd Street, Port Authority Bus Terminal. Transfer available to the A train, the E train, and QR. The shuttle to Red Central Station, the 1, 2, 3, and the number 7 train. Next stop, 42nd Authority Bus Terminal. Thank you for riding SBA New York City Transit.
You know what it did on the R42?
And welcome to the retired
Sometimes we go here, it doesn't catch. There's no catch anymore.
R42 and other retired museum in Brooklyn. Upstairs at the street level, you can transfer to the N60 bus to LaGuardia Airport.